Hi, I'm Dr. Larry Canner, Chief of Cardiology here at South Nassau. I've heard many medical myths over the years, but the one that I get asked most often is, does your heart stop when you sneeze? The answer is no. If this myth were true, many of us wouldn't make it through spring. Sneezing is your body's way of removing irritants from your nose and throat. When you inhale before sneezing, the pressure in your chest increases. Then as you exhale during the sneeze, the pressure drops. This pressure change may momentarily affect the rhythm of the heartbeat, but it doesn't stop the heart from beating. So don't worry, sneeze away, but be sure to cover your nose. That's it for this edition of Truth in Medicine. Check out truthinmedicine.org for answers to other popular questions.